Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Rupesh. I have seen your resume. Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Rupesh Mitra, sir. I graduated from computer science in the year 2022. From then, I've started my government exam preparation for 2 years. I've stayed away from IT for 2 years, and I made a decision to come back to the IT field. And then I resumed my DevOps training, and I'm here.
Okay. How much rate yourself out of 5 in the Linux?
I rate 4 out of 5.
Okay. I have created F1 file. There will be 1,000 lines out there in that F1. In that F1 there will be 1,000 lines. I want to print 200 to 300 lines. How can I print? What command I need to use? Different types of commands I can use. What type of commands I need to use? Explain about those commands. I want to print 200 to 300 lines.
We can print using sed command as well, sir. Sed -n in double quotes.
Single quotes.
In single quotes, 200 to $300.
200 comma 300
200 comma $300.
P.
Print
200
file
comma
name.
300 P after that file name. Okay. Set the hyphen and after that 200 comma 300 P into single quotations. So after that file name by using head and tail.
Head -300 file name pipe tail last 100 -100.
Hyphen 100 hyphen 101. But 201 to 300 means 100 numbers. 200 I want to print 200 to 300 means 101. Hyphen 101. Head hyphen 300 F1 pipe symbol tail hyphen 101. Okay. Let me ask another question. What is the purpose of the curl command?
Using curl command, we can get the HTML page of a certain web page. Curl
Web page.
Google.com, we can get the HTML page of Google.
Okay. Well, I have created 100 directories. In the 100 directories, there will be in some directories I have created F1, F2, F3, F4. I want to find where F1 is in the where is in the location.
We can find using the find command, sir.
Okay.
Find the syntax is a little I have to say syntax, but we can do it using find command.
You don't know about how to write the command?
Syntax I can't remember that.
Oh, okay. Just go through that. Okay. What is the purpose of the CHES command?
Age to change ch mod
Yes.
to set time limit for the password.
Time limit for the minimum days for the password or maximum days for the password and expiration of the password. By using CHS command, you can set the minimum and maximum days and expiry date of the password. Okay. Let me ask few questions in GitHub. Okay. Do you know about a merge conflict?
Merge conflict occurs when the lines are if there is a file and there are some edits done in the remote repository, in the local repository, that is not reflected. When we try to push it into the remote repository, it will say merge conflict. So in order to resolve the merge conflict, we have to first fetch or pull from the remote repository, and merge conflict will be resolved.
We have to edit that data.
Edit.
Okay. What is the difference between git rebase and git amend?
In git rebase, if we have many branches, in one branch the commits are ahead of the other branch, we can bring linearity between those branches using git rebase.
Okay.
Git amend is if I've created two files, I've committed one file and I want to commit the next file to the same commit, I use git commit amend -amend.
Okay, that file is in the one file is in the staging area, one file is in the commit stage. If you want to move the staging area file to commit stage without using additional commit, you can use git commit. By using git amend without using additional commit, you can move with the same commit ID, you can move the staging area to commit ID. Okay, you need to mention the file name in the staging area. You need to mention that point also. Okay. What is the difference between remote repository and local repository?
Remote repository is a repository in GitHub, where local repositories are local laptop or server where we can do our work and push it into the remote repository. Remote repository is in the cloud.
Remote repository, it is in the GitHub. GitHub nothing but remote repository. Local repository means it is location on the local repository. In the server also you can call the local repository, or if you want to clone the code into the our system also, that is called as the local repository. Okay, in the real time, local repository is in the server. Okay, remote repository is in the GitHub. Okay, do you have any questions?
So can I get the feedback from you?
Feedback is good. You need to improve knowledge on the Maven only. You are okay with Git and in Git you need to improve. In Maven also you need to improve some commands you did not mention. For example, .NET projects you did not answer. Just go through that. Okay, no? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.